Hello student, we have finished our portion. From today's onward we are going to start revision. We'll start from the worksheet chapter number 6, that is division. This is the most important chapter, so we are going to revise this worksheet of this chapter number 6, that is division again. Okay, we already finished it, so we are going to revise this chapter again. Question number 1, solve the following by repeated subtraction. Okay, you have to solve it by using repeated subtraction. A, 30 divided by 6. As we know that this 30 is your dividend and this 6, this is your divisor. Okay, now we have to solve it by using repeated subtraction. What we have to do, this 30 you have to write up, then what we have to do, we have to minus it. Okay, minus this divisor, write down. Okay, this 6 you have to write it down. Okay, you have to minus 30 with this 6. Okay, 30 minus 6. Now we'll see that the first time, this one, the first time you are going to do this minus, so I write one time here. The first time you are doing this minus 30 minus 6, 0 small, 6 big. What you have to do, borrow from this 3 becomes 2 and this 0 becomes 10. Time minus 6, that is 4, and this 2 here you write, so this is 24. Okay, so one time you do this minus, again you have to repeat the subtraction. 24 minus 6, divisor, write this again here, minus 6. How many times you are doing this minus? Second time. Okay, second time you are doing this minus. 4 small, 6 big. Again borrow from this 2 becomes 1 and this 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 6, that is 8, and this one here. Second time you did this minus, again you have to do this minus. How many times you are doing? You are doing this third time. 18 minus 6, that is 8 minus 6, that is 2, and this one it will go down, so 12. Again you have to do minus. 12 minus 6. How many times you are doing this minus? This is fourth time. Okay, 2 minus 6, 2 small, 6 big. Again borrow from this one. 1 becomes 0 and this 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 6, that is 6. Okay, now again you have to do this minus from this with this 6. Okay, 6 minus 6. How many times you are doing this minus? 5 times. 6 minus 6, that is 0. Okay, now you have to do this minus until this 0 comes. See this, 30 minus 6, 24. 24 minus 6, 18. 18 minus 6, 12. 12 minus 6, 6. 6 minus 6, that is 0. Okay, you have to do this minus until this 0 comes, and you have to count it how many times you have minus it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your answer is 5. Your answer is 5. Now see that we can subtract 6 from 30. 6 from 30. This 30 you write up and you minus it from this 6, you have to write it down. And how many times you do this minus? How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times. 5 times. Okay, 5 times, so that there are 5 6s in 30. 5 6s in 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 6s in 30. 30 divided by 6, that is equal to 5. So your question is 5. This number A, we finished it. Okay, what you have to do, you have to do B and this one, this B and C. This B and C you have to do it by yourself. Okay, you have to do this practice at least 2 or 3 times, so that you can write it in a good way. Okay boys, take care.